TNA TX7230 Isolator Module. The TX7230 Isolator Module keeps the fire detection loop safe and operational. It automatically isolates faulty sections of the loop in the event of a short circuit, ensuring the rest of the system continues to work. Once the fault is cleared, the TX7230 resets automatically. It can monitor up to 70 devices per loop, making it ideal for large installations. The LED provides quick visual status, blinking for normal operation and steady on when active. With its compact ABS housing and fixed base design, installation is quick and simple. The TX7230 meets global standards, EN 54-17 certified, and is approved by LPCB and CCPR.